Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today's video I want to show you how I came up with this eye look here using a purpley periwinkle blue shadow by Sydney Grace, and it's right here in my Z palette full of Sydney Grace shadows. I wanted to use this shade right here. I just think it's a real pretty shade. I know it may look a little springy, but I was kind of feeling it, so I wanted to share it with you how I came up with this look. I'll list everything that I used down below for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's go ahead and get right to it. Alright, let me try doing a purple eye look using the Sydney Grace single shadows, because this one right here has been catching my eye for a while. It's kind of like a purpley periwinkle shade. I believe it's called Mythical. There it is right there. I think that's going to be real pretty. Let me swatch it for you. Oh yeah, let's use that one. I know it seems kind of a springy shade, but I'm kind of feeling it today, so let's go ahead and use this one. And as you can see, I already primed my lids with the Benefit Stay Don't Stray eyeshadow primer, and let's go ahead and jump right in using this palette full of Sydney Grace eyeshadows, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Fairy Tale, using the Chikuhodo blending brush, and just see what that one looks like. Alright, and just kind of use that as my transition shade. This may be a little bit more of my skin tone. Yeah, I could barely see it, but let's go ahead and use that too. Anyway. So then next, let's go in with this shade right here. It's called Honesty. Using the same brush and just putting that in my crease too. Yeah, this one does give me a little bit more color. And I'm just going to keep building it up. And I like this shade because it's a neutral taupey kind of a pink, if there is such a thing, but that's how it looks like on my skin tone. And I just think this is a great transition shade too. Now going in with the Sonia G Blender Pro, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, Berry Fizz. This is a nice brown with a mauve tone to it, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And also in the outer corner, might as well. So I'm just going to place this here in the outer corner and just bring it in my crease. Just slightly below where I put the shade before this one. What was the name of it? Honesty. And just blend, blend, blend. And then I like to tilt my head back and look in the mirror, look down in the mirror just to see where I need to place this shade in my crease. Place it more right here. I think that looks even. Now let's go in with this shade Mythical, and I'm going to use my finger. Which one is it? Yeah, this one right here, and place it on my lid, in the center of my lid, and maybe a little bit on the outer. I'm going to keep the inner corner kind of free to put something else there. Oh, that is a pretty color. Oh wow, that is pretty. I like that. Yeah, I like this color. I like this color. Now I'm going to go in with the Worker Pro by Sonia G. It's kind of like a flat shader brush, and going in with the same shade Mythical and just kind of bring it up closer to my crease because my finger is not that small. Just kind of work it up there. I guess this is why it's called the Worker Pro. Using the other side of the Worker Pro, I'm going to go in with this frosted pink here. I believe it's called Baby Cheeks. And just using the other side and placing this one in the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to deepen out the outer corner of my eye using this dark purple shade right here. I believe it's called Rush. And I'm going to go in with the Wayne Goss number 18. And let's just go ahead and deepen it up. Now to really deepen up the outer corner of my eye, I'm going to go in with this rich chocolate shade right here. It's called Spark. And I'm using the Wayne Goss number 16 and just place that like an outer V or a C, whichever you prefer. And just deepen it up a little bit. Yeah, I think I like this shade better to deepen up my eyes. And then going back with Honesty to just kind of blend everything out. And then one more time, I'm going to go in with this shade Mythical, just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. And just place that in the center there. Because with all that blending, I guess it kind of faded a little bit. So I just like to go back in before I do the rest of my eye makeup. Let me finish doing the rest of my eyes, but first I did my brows with the Benefit Precisely My Brow in the shade number 4. Then I went in with the liquid eyeliner to go on top of my lash line, and this is the liner by, I want to say, Douce, D-O-U-C-C-E, yeah, 2 C's. I got this in a Look Fantastic box several months ago and it's still going strong. This is my favorite liquid eyeliner pen, love it. Then I put primer and foundation on, and I'll list everything down below for you guys because this is more about the eyes. But let's go ahead and go underneath my lash line, and let's go in with Honesty using a Sigma brush, the E45, and let's just go ahead and go underneath my lash line. Using the same brush, I'm going to go in with Berry Fizz. I know some may want to put a beige or white liner in the waterline, but I think I'm going to go in with black, and this is my favorite one by Essence. It's $3 at Ulta. I mean, this is a really nice one. It's very deep and dark and rich, and it doesn't move. It doesn't give me that eye booger in the corner of my eye later in the day, or at least it doesn't give me a big one, if I could say so. But yeah, I love this eye pencil. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in my waterline and under my lower lash line. All right, yeah, I love my black eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara off camera because that can be kind of boring, and go ahead and do the rest of my makeup on and my hair, and I'll be right back. And here is the finished look. For the mascara, I went in with the Lancome Miss Your Big mascara, and one of my new favorites, and it will be showing up in my favorites video. This mascara was in my Look Fantastic box a couple months ago. It's by another one, Douce, D-O-U-C-C-E. So I like the eyeliner pen, and I also like the mascara. Really nice mascara. And then went in with the bronzer by Fenty Beauty, Banyan Girl. And one of my favorite blushes by The Balm, Cabana Boy. This is a real pretty mauve-y berry tone. And then used the powder by Anastasia in the shade Deep Peach, like this one too. And for the lips, I went with MAC Spice Liner, and also by MAC, the Velvet Teddy Lipstick. And for the gloss, another one of my favorites by Hourglass. I believe this is in the shade Cosmic. This is in the shade Cosmic, and that finishes the look. And I kind of like it. I like this periwinkle eye look. I think it's real pretty, even though it does look a little bit springy. I think if you deepen up the outer corner and just kind of smoke it out, it'll be really good for the fall, or for, you know, those date nights or parties coming up. These Sydney Grace shadows are beautiful. They blend out very nice. They're very pigmented. And this shade Mythical, this one right here that I used on my lid, I think it's beautiful. I really do think it's beautiful. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it with using a purpley periwinkle look. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.